It's always my pleasure to be here. And if you're just stopping by at this channel for the very first time, I want to give you a warm welcome. You're highly welcome to Rosie's channel. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like it, and share it. Thank you so much. And guys, today we're going to be talking about talents. Talents, people that have the talents and how they use them. And I want to quickly explain what talent is all about. Talent is just that natural ability that God has deposited in your life. Natural ability. Ability to do things that others can't really do very well. Before I go on, I just want to point a few things out here. There are some people that don't even know that they have talent. They don't even have any knowledge that they have talent. So the talent will just be in them without their knowledge, and it will just die off like that. And then we also have people that actually know that they have talent, and they don't know how to make use of their talent. We're really going to look at all these things and see how we can help each other to bring out our talents that God has given to us. We can start making use of them, in our lives. So like I said earlier, there are some people that have talent. They don't know that they have talent. They have the talent, but they don't have any knowledge that they have talent. And it will just remain in them. It will be wasted. Sometimes they do make use of those talents without knowing that it's a talent. You understand? They will make use of the talent will come out from them, and they will use it at that particular time. But they wouldn't know that it is a talent, it is a special gift that God has given to them. What I'm trying to say now is, if you have noticed anything so special in you, that when you do it, people will say, wow, how did you do that? You should understand that that is a talent, that is a special gift that God has given to you. So begin to, try to know more about it, about that thing. Be curious about, bringing it out from you. And then you just see it coming out, and then you start making use of it. And then there's another set of people that actually know that they have something special in them, and they don't even like using them. They know that they have something special in them. They actually know that they have a talent, but they don't just want to do anything with that talent. They're just so scared to bring it out, to let people see it, and then they just leave it there. It will just die. Maybe they go to a place and they exhibit this talent that is in them, and everybody will be like, wow, do you know that you're a talented person? And they'll be like, yeah, I know, but I don't want to do anything with it. Some will even go ahead and say, it's not my area, of specialty, so I don't want to bother myself about it. I don't think this thing that I'm doing can take me anywhere without them knowing that. For God to have deposited that thing in them, God actually wants them to use it and to change their lives, change their environments, change the world. Because every single thing that we see in the world today, like the telephone we are using, is somebody's idea. It's a gift. Someone just sat down and then started bringing it out from the inside. Begin to do one or two things with it, and it becomes something. And then the whole world talk about it. The whole world talk about it. The world talk about it because the person had used the talent. If you don't use it, it will die. And I also want us to understand that every single one of us, God has deposited something very special in us. It's just left for us to find it out, what that thing is, and start, bringing it out from the inside of us, letting it to manifest on the outside. God has given us this special gift so that we'll become, outstanding people in life. So that we'll be able to help people around us. We'll be able to help the world with our talent, with our gifts, our natural ability. And it's so unfortunate that even those ones that have discovered their talents, and they know that it's a special ability, natural ability that God had deposited in them, they just refuse to make use of it. And then you see them toiling around, running helter-skelter, trying to do something, trying to learn something else. I'm not saying when you have a talent, you can combine it with, other things that you need to learn on earth. Why not? But it's always better to bring out your talent, because it's that thing God has given to you to make you who He wants you to be. So if you have noticed anything special in you, some people are good in dancing. If you're a good dancer, if you know that is a talent, some people go to school to learn dancing. But there are some people that don't even need to go to anywhere. They just wake up and then they'll just start creating styles with their legs, with their body, with their arms and heads, They'll just begin to make some special moves and everybody will marvel. That is the talent God has given to that person. And through that very talent, the world will just hear about that person. You see someone singing, meanwhile the person had never had voice training. But once the person sings, man, you yourself, you feel it. I used to know one child, where I was living at a point like that. This girl, she can sing. And she has she was very slim. But if this girl if she opens up her mouth, the voice, the sound that comes out of that little body, you'll be amazed. And everybody in that vicinity knew that was her own talent. That was that special gift that God has given to her. So a lot of people used to advise the parents to just help her finish her education, but they should make sure that, she brings out this talent that is in her. It was obvious. It was so obvious. She was in the choir, even in the church. Once this girl sings, man, she had a wonderful voice. That is the area God has blessed her with. So it's left for you to find out what your talent is and try to make use of it. Don't let it die. God gave you that talent for a purpose. Don't just kill it like that. Make use of it. Some people will even try making use of it. They will not take it serious. They'll be making use of it, but they won't take it serious. They don't even see themselves going very far with that natural ability that God had deposited in them. They don't see themselves. They just, display it casually. They just display it casually. They don't want to take it further. They don't want to walk towards it, to really bring it out and use it and become what God wants them to become. They know it. They just use it on the surface. They just use it, on a very light level, so to say. So please don't waste your talent. God gave you that talent for a purpose. So make use of it. And if you don't make use of that talent and use it the way God wanted you to use it here on earth, I don't think God will be happy with you. He will not be happy with you. So if you know that you have the natural ability in you, don't kill it. Make use of it. It's going to take you far. It's going to take you. It's going to make you known to the world. you know. So don't just kill it. Don't kill it. Bring it out. Put life to it. Wake it up. Stay it up. Some people that actually know, you know, and they'll just be giving excuses about it. I don't have someone supporting me. I don't have someone to sponsor me in bringing out my talent or making very good use of my talent. They will just be giving all sort of excuses to cover up. And then you see them running helter-skelter, trying to learn things that are not meant for them to do, when the natural thing is just lying there. So if at any time, or somehow you've come to know that you have the natural ability in you, the ability to do things that others cannot really do, please don't just kill it like that. Move and then ask people how they can help you. And since it's God that gave it to you, He always position people that will help you through. He will always, give you divine helpers. He will direct your steps to meet the divine helpers that will bring out that talent that He gave to you. But you have to take a step first. The talent in you will not be calling the divine helpers to come. No, you have to take a step first. You have to start doing something with it. And then God will connect you. Because there is no food for a lazy man. You won't say I have a talent and you'll be sleeping inside the house with your talent and you expect something to happen. Or you expect someone to smell you in and then, call out the talent that is in you. No. You have to do everything possible to bring it out. Let people notice it. Let people see that special ability that God had deposited in you. Bring it out. Do all you can do and leave the rest for God. He is the one who gave you. He had already arranged people, that will help you through that thing He deposited in you to take you higher. So please, do not waste your talent. The world is waiting for you. Don't hide it. Don't waste it. Don't destroy it. Don't put it down to sleep, because God will not be happy with you. He gave it to you for you to make use of it here on earth, to help other people, to help the world, and to also help yourself with it. Because if you become famous with that talent of yours, it's for your own good. It will be for your own good. So don't kill your talent. Don't kill it, please. Do your best. Leave the rest for God. Honestly, He will always connect you with the right people. He's not an author of confusion. You know that. God is not an author of confusion. For Him to have given you that special gift, He had already, made better plans, better arrangements so that it will come out. But He just wants you to stand up and take a step of faith by doing everything to bring out that talent that is in you. That is all what God needs from you. Just try on your own and stay it out. Stay it out. And then leave the rest for God. He will do what He has to do. He's faithful. He's a good Father. And every good and perfect gift comes from God. So that gift that is in you is good and perfect. It's very good and perfect. You don't have any complaint about it. As a parent, if you have a child and you know that child has a special talent, special ability, natural ability from God, help that child to bring it out. Help that child to recognize that special gift from God in him or in her. Or if you have friends around, if you have friends and you know they have talent, they don't recognize it, they don't see it in them, help them. Because when you start telling them, do you know that you have talent? That's even when some of them will now wake up from their slumber. So if you have anyone around you and you notice that this person has this natural ability in them and they don't notice it, they don't see, they don't know it. Help them. Help them. Don't be jealous of them. Just help them. So please, check yourself. Check your life. Look around you. That thing that usually come out of you, without you struggling to get it, that is your talent. Without you struggling to do it, that is your talent. So begin to work on it. Because the world is waiting for you. God created every single one of us with a gift to make the world beautiful and a special place for us to be. So don't kill your own. Don't destroy your own part. Play your own part to make the world complete. You are among the people to make this world a better place for us to be. With that gift in you. With that talent in you. So don't ignore it. Is it not someone that invented aeroplane? Is it not someone that invented car? They're not angels, they're humans like me and you. Everything you are using in the world today to enjoy ourselves, to enjoy our lives, they're all people that invented them. People invented them. What I'm saying is that bring out the talent, the special gift that is in you.